Hey y'all, happy Thanksgiving, or like what I like to call it, happy colonization day. I don't know what to tell you, but I am thankful, and I do love my friends and family, and this year I'm cooking the bird, y'all. So this is my baby bird. It's a nice size. It's been well loved. I mean, it ain't pasture raised, y'all. I admit. I don't want to spend $150 on a turkey. Alright, y'all. So I'm making this bird, right? Oh my goodness, what in the world is in this thing? I gotta get the giblets out. And then give it a nice, rinse off before, well, it takes a nice spa day. I'm gonna show you guys, well, my hands are all disgusting now. Oh my, well, but it's still frozen solid, my lord. What I'm doing to this turkey is not for everybody. You know, Joe Nathan Jr. Jr. is a vegetarian now. I'm not quite sure what we're going to feed him. We'll see. We give the bird a bath. Get all the yuckies off. That's the way you do a chicken, really. Yeah. I feel a little like might be violating this poor turkey. Oh. Oh my. I haven't been this elbow deep in a while. Must be my days in the cold. Well, this is gonna take a minute, y'all. I'll be right back. Whew, that was a lot. So, y'all, what I did is I pulled the innards out of this turkey. Because you don't want them in there and don't make it taste too great, right? So then after that, you're going to give it a nice little rinse off. I mean, you don't go into the pool all nasty and dirty in some sort of plastic sack you've been sitting around in, or do you? So our bird here is just, taking a shower. Nice, lovely little rinse off here. And then we're going to put them in to a lovely brine. And look, I've cut some rosemary and thyme from the garden, and I mixed it up with some lovely citrus and a few other things I won't quite tell you, but I think it's going to be quite yummy. So I'm going to leave all this until it's not steaming no more. And then I'm going to move it into this lovely bucket that Joe Nathan got at Lowe's. It's got a nice little top so the possums don't get it. Because I'm going to put it outside because it's freezing cold. Yes, it's Nashville, but it's still freezing cold. It is actually below freezing. And then I'm going to take all this citrus you see here that I peeled, and I'm going to shove that up in that bird when I put it in the roasting pan. We'll get back to it tomorrow. Y'all, I have done some miraculous things with Thelma. I've named her. She's my bird. I hope she does me well. If you look real deep inside her, she's got some nice lemons stuffed up in her with some rosemary and some thyme from my garden and a few other yummy things. We're going to add a little bit more of the brine and completely submerge her, and then I'm going to stick the top on top and hope that the possums don't get into her tonight. Alright, y'all. See you in the morning.